So our question is asking us what the standard deviation is of our data set, which shows the number of students in every math class at Liberty Middle School. So first, what is standard deviation? It is represented by this symbol right here, which is called a sigma. And the standard deviation tells us the average amount of variability in a data set. And so basically, how far does each value lie from the mean on average? So this only really works for a data set with normal distribution. And that would look something like this. All the data points kind of crowd around the mean, which is marked here. So what does the standard deviation value really tell us? It kind of